Welcome to Simply Drawn. Today we are drawing gears as a symbol for the turning of our thoughts. I've decided to start right in a thicker marker and I'm doing blue. You can do any color. And I'm drawing a circle. I'm just freehanding a circle and then I'm going to thicken the line. You can smooth out some of your bumps a little, but we want this to be a pretty wide line on the circle. And then I'm doing north, south, east, west, little trying to keep them even, and then in between. And those are going to be what I'm going to then make, like it's almost like part of a square on top of it. And so you can see it taking shape with the one in the upper right corner. I'm just kind of looking at it overall, fixing it up a little bit. It does not need to be perfect. You can definitely see it's turning into the gear. And I'm going to give the direction of the gear going and some action lines. And now I've added an orange. You can do any colors again, and I'm making again the same steps. So I'm making that circle and I put it so that the gear of this one kind of goes into the space of the next one. So I have them close enough so you kind of think they're making each other turn. See, I've pointed it in there, and even though it is at an angle, I'm still doing the 4 and then these 4 in between to get my spacing, like you're making a sun, and then building the squares or rectangles around those points. And again, some action lines of thinking of which way it would be spinning. And lastly, I'm going in with a fine tip black marker and I'm going to outline each of the gears.